We're unboxing. You ready? Can I see? New skin. Here we go. Ooh! It's that little face brush, right? Face thing. Look at that packaging. Beautiful. Oh boy! No! Look at all the pearls. Look at all the pearls. So beautiful. There's a bunch in here. The cleanser. Recovery fluid. Ooh! The age youth stuff. What's this? It's a little open. Ooh, the eye cream. I'm excited for that. Because, you see, got to go. Foot treatment. Is that for you? Foot treatment. LumiSpa. And the little baby treatment tip.
It's for the LumiSpa. All of that.
More and more and more.
It goes with the brush.
Pearls.
Are the bags in there?
Lots of pearls.
Are the bags?
No bags. Lots and lots of pearls. The best stuff. Best stuff. That's it. That's it.